Hi farmers, this is day 26 and today we'll be looking at late management changes costs more than day fix. Here's a thought. Big changes now don't improve growth that much. It often increases the stress of the birds and late corrections usually reduce profits instead of saving. Here's point number one why I say those changes that you make late cost you. Growth is front loaded. Most broiler growth happens early, gradually, and consistently. So by day 26, the bird is converting feed less efficiently, muscle growth slows naturally. You can't force extra weight cheaply anymore. What's been done has been done. Number two, sudden changes stress out the birds. Late changes like new feed, suddenly you have a new supplement range or you're supplying the birds with more feed. This causes digestion to be upset. This causes a reduction in the intake of the feed and also an uneven growth in the birds. So stress cancels any expected benefit that we as farmers might assume to have. Number three, panic buying products is expensive. When birds aren't growing as expected, farmers often, myself included, we add boosters, we add supplements, we add vitamins, we add antibiotics. And most of the time, the money is spent, but the results are minimal. You won't even see the changes that we anticipate to see. Why? Is because we out here basically striving to maintain growth or keep up with the damage that has already been done. Number four, consistency matters more than fixes. Quick fixes don't work because these are living organisms. This is not a mechanical thing where you can add something, quickly so that it can work. No, these are living organisms and you should treat them as such. Stable birds will eat regularly, they will drink consistently and rest properly. Consistency protects the final weight of broilers. Number five, good farmers plan and bad ones panic. A successful farmer follows daily routines to the T, tracks progress, and adjusts early. Struggling farmers react late, and by late I mean when the damage has already been done. So, how does this affect our pockets and our profits? Late stress causes poor feed conversion, uneven birds, and lower final weights. So, you'll spend more money, but you'll have a lower return. So, farmers, what do we do on day number 26? We keep feed type consistent, we avoid any unnecessary supplements, we maintain a routine for feeding times, we maintain a routine for drinking times. We focus on comfort and access that the birds will have to water and feed, and we watch our birds, not ants. So pay attention to your birds. After watching this video, pay attention to your birds. Late fixes are the expensive lessons that cost us more. Farmers have created a Broiler Gems. It goes into more detail as to how to maintain, invest, take care of your flock so that come market day, your profits increase. The link will be in the description, and I'll see you on day number 27.